Sobolo, as widely called in Ghana or Zobo as Nigerians call it, is the recipe for today. This particular drink has lots of amazing benefits I feel we're not talking much about, and it can be taken hot or cold. In today's video, I share with you how to make this with ingredients you can just find at home. So do stick with me if you want to know how this was made. Thank you. My pot is already on fire and I washed and soaked the leaves for a while, let's say 1 hour maximum. I'll start by adding the soaked leaves, followed by some pineapple peels and the core. The core is where the main benefits are, so don't throw away. I'll add some ginger, followed by some sliced orange and Aidan fruit, that's Prekese. I'll add some pepper, cloves, grains of Selim, add some water and some sliced lemons. I almost forgot the lemons. I'll then cover to boil while I head over to the next stage where I'll be juicing. All ingredients used are listed in the description box, so do check. So I add quite a lot of fruits when making sobolo, just to limit the amount of sugar or sweetener I add. I'll start using the orange, and I used 4 oranges. And if you're still here watching and enjoying, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to others. When I'm done, I'll add the pineapple, apple, and a little amount of water to blend. And when I'm done blending, I'll strain and then set aside. You can as well use a juicer, but my juicer is quite difficult to clean, so I always prefer using the blender. I'll add some ginger and dates, and you need to remove the seeds in it. I'll add the chap from the pineapple to the blender and blend. After blending, I'll just strain it and I'll add a little amount of water to the blender, rinse and add it back. Yeah. The chaff goes directly to the sobolo. You don't want to miss the nutrients in it. And the sobolo is almost done. It's been on fire for 20 to 25 minutes. After adding the chaff, I'll just boil for extra 5 minutes and we're done. So in a bowl, I'll just add my cheesecloth and it's gonna save me from the stress of straining repeatedly. If you're still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe and then share to others. When I'm done straining, I'll add the orange juice followed by the pineapple and apple juice and I'll stir. And after adding it, I realized that I needed a little amount of sweetener, so I added some honey. You can as well use your preferred sweetener, and that's okay. And I'll stir afterwards. So with this recipe, I got 3 liters of juice plus extra. Umpewe now per day. I said earlier, this drink has lots of amazing benefits, and the part I love most is it reduces blood pressure. Yes, so you can as well read more from the internet. And to serve, I'll add some ice cubes and I'll add the juice. So if you love drinking it hot, you can as well microwave it each time you having a sip or each time you're drinking. Thank you so much for watching till this time. I truly appreciate. Please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a blissful week. Bye.